What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the previous time we have talked about so many parts of Python, and now we're gonna talk about function. Let's go. Alright, let's see the organization of this Python tutorial. In the previous video we have talked about Python installation, introduction, data types, flow control, and now we are going to talk about function. And let's see the structure of tutorial for function. There are function introduction, function argument, recursive function, anonymous function, and global local variable in function. Alright, today we have talked about the structure of this Python tutorial of function. And next time we will talk about the function introduction. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. See you next time.